Welcome to Better English for You.
First day at the bank.
Welcome to Citibank, Layla. How do you feel?
Excited and a little nervous. It's bigger than I expected.
You get used to it. Can you start with the branch tour?
Yes, please. What are the main areas?
Teller counters, customer service desks, and the manager's office.
Can customers walk in without an appointment?
Yes, we serve walk-in customers and appointment clients.
What's my role to start?
Customer service assistant. You help customers at the desk.
Can I also work at the teller counter?
After training, the cash handling needs certification first.
How long does that take?
About 2 weeks. Can you learn quickly?
Yes, I'm a fast learner.
Good. We open at 9 and close at 5.
Can I arrive earlier to prepare?
Yes, most staff arrive at 8:30.
What do we do before opening?
Team briefing, system checks, and cash balancing for tellers.
Can I sit in on the briefing today?
You're on the list already. Come on, I'll introduce you to the team.
I'm ready.
You already look it.
Understanding bank accounts.
Can you tell me what types of accounts we offer?
I read the welcome pack. Current accounts and savings accounts?
Good start. What's the difference?
Current accounts are for everyday spending. Savings accounts earn interest.
Correct. Can you name any specific products?
The Flex account for daily use and the Easy Saver for savings.
Yes. Do you know the interest rate on the Easy Saver?
3.2% AER currently.
Good. Can customers switch between accounts?
Yes, they can transfer funds anytime.
What does AER stand for?
Annual equivalent rate. It shows the yearly interest rate.
Exactly. Can you explain that to a customer simply?
It tells you how much interest you earn in a year.
Perfect. Simple language is always better in banking.
Can I also open joint accounts?
Yes. Both account holders need to be present with ID.
What ID do we accept?
Passport, driving license, or a national identity card.
Can a utility bill count as proof of address?
Yes, less than 3 months old.
I've already started my product knowledge notes.
I can see. That's exactly the right approach.
Helping a customer open an account.
Can you handle your first account opening today?
Yes. Can you stay close in case I need you?
I'll be at the next desk.
Good morning. Can I help you today?
Good opening. Friendly and direct.
They want to open a current account.
Can you take them through the options?
We have 2 current accounts. Can I ask how you mainly use your money?
Good question. Needs lead to the right product.
They shop online a lot and travel sometimes.
Which account suits that?
The Flex Plus with no foreign transaction fees.
Correct. Can you explain the monthly fee?
It costs £12 a month, but includes travel insurance.
Good. Can you check their ID now?
Can I see your passport and a proof of address, please?
Both present. Very smooth.
The account is set up. Can I issue a temporary card today?
Yes, the permanent card arrives in 3 to 5 working days.
Your temporary card is here, and your permanent one arrives this week.
You just completed your first account opening.
It felt natural.
That's because you prepared.
Cash handling.
Cash handling has strict rules here. Can you focus completely?
Yes, I understand how important accuracy is.
Rule 1. Always count cash twice before and after a transaction.
Can I use the counting machine every time?
Yes, machine plus manual check.
What if the count doesn't match?
Stop immediately and call a supervisor. Never guess.
Can I count out loud to the customer?
Always, transparency prevents disputes.
What denominations do we keep in the till?
10s, 20s, and 50s mainly. We replenish from the vault.
Can I access the vault myself?
Not yet. That needs dual authorization. You and a senior.
What do I do if I suspect a counterfeit note?
Use the UV pen and light. Can you see the machine here?
Yes, I check every note over 50 pounds.
Every note over 20, ideally.
What if a note is counterfeit?
Retain it, apologize calmly, and call security.
Can I give it back to the customer?
No, never return a suspected counterfeit.
I'll never forget that rule.
Good. It protects everyone.
Fraud awareness.
Fraud training is the most critical thing I can teach you. Can you focus?
Yes. What are the main types we see?
Phone fraud, online scams, and in-person deception.
Can you describe a typical phone fraud case?
Someone calls pretending to be the bank and asks for account details.
Can a genuine bank ever ask for a full PIN?
Never. Can you remember that absolutely?
Yes, we never ask for a full PIN, ever.
What do you do if a customer says someone called them from the bank?
Tell them to hang up and call the number on the back of their card.
Exactly. Can you spot a customer who may be a fraud victim?
Someone nervous, making unusual withdrawals, or being coached on the phone.
Good. What do you do in that situation?
I alert a colleague discreetly and try to slow the transaction.
Can you ask the customer to step aside for a moment?
Yes, something like, "Can I just verify a few things first?"
That buys time. What's the code word for a fraud alert to colleagues?
It's in the handbook. Can I confirm, is it "please call extension 4"?
Yes. The team knows what that means.
This is so important. I want to get it right.
That attitude is exactly why you'll be good at this job.
Mortgages and loans.
Can you explain mortgages to me? A customer asked today, and I wasn't sure.
Of course. What do you already know?
A mortgage is a loan to buy a property. The property is the security.
Correct. Can you explain what a deposit is?
The money the buyer puts in themselves before the mortgage.
And what percentage is typical?
Usually 10 to 20% of the property value.
Yes. Can a customer get a mortgage with 5%?
With a government scheme, yes.
Good. What are the two main mortgage types?
Fixed rate and variable rate.
Can you explain the difference?
Fixed rate stays the same. Variable rate can change with the market.
Which is safer for someone on a tight budget?
Fixed rate, they know exactly what they pay each month.
Exactly. Can you handle a basic mortgage inquiry now?
I can answer initial questions and book an appointment with a mortgage advisor.
Can you make that booking yourself?
Yes, the system is the same as other appointment booking.
Good. You don't advise on mortgages yourself. Only qualified advisors do.
I understand. I direct and inform, not advise.
That's a crucial distinction in banking.
The busy Monday morning.
Monday mornings are always the busiest. Can you stay composed?
Yes, I've been mentally preparing since Friday.
The queue is already at the door. Can you open desk 2?
Yes, logging in now.
Take inquiries first. Transactions are slower and need more time.
Can I direct cash transactions to the teller counter?
Yes, that's exactly right.
2 customers want to change their contact details. Quick task.
Perfect for a busy morning. Keep the flow moving.
A customer is upset about a charge on their account.
Can you handle a complaint?
Yes, I'll take them to the quiet desk area.
Good. Never handle complaints at the open counter.
The charge was an overdraft fee. They say they weren't warned.
Can you check their notification history on the system?
Yes, 2 text alerts were sent. I can see them here.
Show them gently. Don't make them feel accused.
I can see the alerts were sent, but I understand that's frustrating.
Then offer the solution.
Can I set up a low balance alert for the future so this doesn't happen again?
That's excellent service recovery.
The customer left happy.
On a Monday morning? That's impressive.
Online banking support.
Many customers struggle with online banking. Can you support them?
Yes, I use online banking myself every day.
What are the most common problems?
Forgotten passwords, locked accounts, and setting up payees.
Can you reset a password for a customer?
I can guide them through the reset process. I can't do it for them.
Why not?
Security. Their credentials must stay with them only.
Exactly. Can you unlock a locked account?
Yes, after ID verification. Then I unlock it from the system.
What if a customer says they received a suspicious email from the bank?
Tell them not to click anything and report it as phishing.
Can you see the email yourself?
I can look at it on their screen without touching their device.
Good boundary. Never handle a customer's phone or computer.
Can I walk customers through the app on our demo tablet?
Yes, we have a training app exactly for that.
That's perfect for older customers who find it confusing.
Can you lead a small online banking workshop?
Yes, I'd love to do that.
Then I'll book the meeting room for next Tuesday.
I'll prepare clear, simple instructions tonight.
I knew you would.
Savings advice.
Can you handle a savings inquiry independently today?
Yes. What should I remember?
Inform, don't advise. Can you explain the difference?
I tell them about the products. I don't tell them what to choose.
Correct. What questions can you ask to understand their needs?
How long can they save for? Do they need to access funds anytime?
Good. And their savings goal?
Emergency fund, holiday, house deposit. The goal affects the product.
What's the difference between a notice account and an instant access account?
Notice accounts give more interest, but you need to wait to withdraw.
How much notice?
30 to 90 days, depending on the product.
Can a customer withdraw early from a notice account?
Sometimes, but they lose some interest.
Good. What about fixed-term accounts?
Higher interest, but the money is locked for a set period.
Can a customer access a fixed-term account early?
Usually not. It's locked until the term ends.
So which customer suits that product?
Someone who doesn't need the money for a year or more.
You know this well.
I've been reading every evening.
A month at Citibank.
1 month. How do you feel about banking now?
More confident than I expected to feel this soon.
What's been the biggest learning?
That banking is really about trust. Customers trust us with everything.
That's the most important thing anyone can learn here.
Can I ask what you think of my progress?
You ask better questions than most people after 3 months.
I read everything I can.
I know. Can you tell me one thing you still want to improve?
Handling very distressed customers. I feel uncertain in those moments.
That's honest. It takes time. Can you tell me what you do now?
I stay calm, listen fully, and acknowledge their feeling before doing anything.
That's already the right approach.
But it doesn't always feel like enough.
It's always enough to start with.
Can I shadow you next time a difficult case comes in?
Yes, I'll make sure you're at the desk with me.
What do you enjoy most about this job?
The moment a customer leaves knowing they're better off than when they came in.
I felt that this week with the first account I opened.
Then you already understand what this job is for.
Lending and credit.
Can I introduce you to our lending products today?
Yes. Personal loans and credit cards?
Yes. What do you know about personal loans?
A fixed amount borrowed and repaid over a set period with interest.
Good. What's a typical loan term?
1 to 7 years, usually.
Can a customer pay off a loan early?
Yes, but there may be an early repayment charge.
What determines the interest rate a customer gets?
Their credit score and the amount borrowed.
Can a customer check their credit score with us?
Yes, we offer a free credit check service.
What's a credit card versus a loan?
A credit card is revolving credit. A loan is a fixed amount.
Can a customer use both at the same time?
Yes, they're different products.
What should a customer know about minimum payments on a credit card?
Paying only the minimum means they pay a lot of interest over time.
Can we advise them to pay more than the minimum?
Yes, we can highlight that without it being formal financial advice.
That's a good distinction.
I want to help customers make genuinely informed decisions.
That's the right motivation for this job.
International transfers.
Can you process an international transfer today?
Yes. Can you walk me through it first?
Of course. What information do we need?
The recipient's name, bank, account number, and sort code or IBAN.
And what else for international?
The SWIFT or BIC code for the recipient's bank.
Correct. Can you explain what IBAN stands for?
International Bank Account Number.
Good. What's the typical processing time?
1 to 3 working days for most countries.
Can we guarantee next-day delivery?
No. Correspondent banks are outside our control.
What charges apply to international transfers?
A flat fee and a currency conversion rate.
Can customers see the exchange rate before confirming?
Yes, I show it on screen and get confirmation before processing.
What if the exchange rate changes by the time it processes?
It's the rate at the time of processing, not booking.
Can a customer lock in a rate?
Not at branch level. They'd need our SX team for larger amounts.
You've researched beyond what I taught you.
I knew it would come up.
Business banking.
Can I introduce you to our business banking services today?
Yes, I've been curious about this side of the branch.
What's the main difference between personal and business banking?
Business accounts track company finances separately from personal money.
Correct. Can you open a business account the same way as a personal one?
No, there are more requirements.
Such as?
Proof of business registration, director ID, and business address.
Good. Can a sole trader open a business account?
Yes, they don't need to be a limited company.
What banking services do businesses mainly need?
Current accounts, merchant services, and business loans.
Can we offer merchant card payment services?
Yes, businesses can take card payments through our merchant system.
What about payroll? Can businesses run it through us?
Yes, we integrate with most payroll software.
Do business accounts pay interest?
Some do. Business savings accounts, yes.
Can I take a business inquiry on my own?
First inquiries, yes. Anything complex goes to the business manager.
You already know the boundaries. Good.
The difficult customer.
How did that interaction feel?
Challenging, but I managed it.
Can you tell me what happened?
The customer disputed a transaction they say they didn't make.
How did they present?
Very angry, raised voice, said we were incompetent.
Can you tell me what you did first?
I let them finish without interrupting.
Good. Then?
I said, I understand how upsetting this is, and I want to help.
Did you take them somewhere private?
Yes, the quiet desk. I didn't want other customers to hear.
Excellent. Can you tell me what you found?
The transaction was from a shop they actually visited, but didn't recognize the name.
How did you explain it?
I showed them the merchant name matches the shopping center they mentioned.
Can they always spot that connection?
No, merchant names are often different from the shop name.
Did they accept it?
Yes, they apologized for the language.
You handled that perfectly.
I was nervous the whole time.
Nobody could tell.
Regulatory compliance.
Compliance training today. Can you give it your full attention?
Yes, this is important.
Who regulates UK banks?
The Financial Conduct Authority and the Prudential Regulation Authority.
Good. Can you tell me what the FCA protects?
Consumers. It makes sure financial services are fair and honest.
What is KYC?
Know your customer. Verifying who we do business with.
Can we open an account without KYC checks?
No, never. It's a legal requirement.
What is AML?
Anti-money laundering. Preventing criminal money from entering the banking system.
Can you spot signs of money laundering?
Large cash deposits with no clear source. Frequent round number transfers.
What do you do if you suspect it?
Report it to the money laundering reporting officer immediately.
Can you tell the customer you're reporting them?
No. That's a criminal offense called tipping off.
Exactly. Can you remember that absolutely?
Yes. Never disclose a suspicious activity report.
You've absorbed this thoroughly.
It's serious. I treat it that way.
The digital banking workshop.
The workshop room is yours. Can you manage it alone?
Yes. 6 customers signed up.
What's your plan for the session?
Check balances, make payments, and set up alerts. 45 minutes.
Can you adapt if someone falls behind?
Yes, I'll go at the pace of the slowest person.
Good. What's the most common fear about digital banking?
Making a mistake that costs them money.
Can you address that at the start?
Yes, I'll explain the safety features and confirmation steps.
How's it going in there?
Really well. One customer made their first transfer.
How did they react?
They clapped. It was lovely.
Can you do this monthly?
I'd love to. Already have 10 people asking for the next one.
I'll make it official. Monthly digital workshop.
Can we call it Digital Banking Made Simple?
Yes, that name says everything.
The customers today felt more confident leaving than when they came.
That's what banking should always achieve.
Layla's 6-month review.
Can I help you prepare for your review tomorrow?
Yes. What should I expect?
The manager will ask about your highlights and development areas.
Can I mention the digital workshop?
Absolutely. That's a clear example of initiative beyond your role.
And the fraud awareness I flagged last month?
Yes. That saved a customer from a significant loss.
Can I also mention my compliance training completion?
Yes. You completed it 2 weeks ahead of deadline.
What about development areas? I should be honest.
What do you see as your areas to grow?
Mortgage product knowledge and handling complex complaints.
Can you suggest how you plan to address those?
Shadowing the mortgage advisor and taking on more complex cases.
Excellent. You answer your own development question.
The manager called me exceptional in her notes, didn't she?
Who told you that?
Nobody, but your face just did.
I can't confirm what's in a confidential review.
You don't need to.
Get some sleep. You're going to do brilliantly.
The promotion path.
Can I talk to you about where this career can go?
Yes, I think about it a lot.
What do you want from banking long term?
I want to genuinely help people with their finances at a meaningful level.
Can you see a specific role?
Financial advisor or branch manager eventually.
Both are realistic. What do you need for a financial advisor?
The Level 4 qualification in financial planning.
Can the bank support that?
Yes, study leave and partial funding are available.
You've already researched this.
I always research what I want.
Can I recommend you for the development program?
Is that the fast track to senior roles?
Yes. 2 years of structured development and rotations.
Can I apply this year?
Applications open in January. Your review outcomes supports it strongly.
Then I'll apply.
I'll write your supporting letter.
You don't have to do that.
I want to.
Thank you, Daniel. Really.
When Layla saves the day.
Can you tell me exactly what happened at desk 3?
A woman came in to transfer £8,000 to an account she'd never used.
What made you suspicious?
She was on the phone the whole time. Her answers felt scripted.
Can you describe what you did?
I used the extension 4 code to alert you and asked her to wait.
Good. Then?
I asked her what the payment was for. She said investment opportunity.
Classic, authorized push payment fraud.
Yes, I asked her to hang up the call first before we proceed.
Can customers always do that?
She said the person told her not to hang up. That confirmed it for me.
What did you do?
I said, "We can't process until the call ends. It's our security policy."
She ended the call?
Yes. Then she cried. She realized immediately.
You protected £8,000.
I protected her.
Yes, more importantly, you protected her.
That's why this job matters.
I'm putting this in your file. It matters a lot.
A year at Citibank.
1 year. Can you believe how much has changed?
A year ago, I didn't know what an IBAN was.
Now you prevent fraud in real time.
Everything happened faster than I expected.
Can I tell you what I've observed this year?
Please.
You never once treated a customer as a transaction.
They're people. They come here because they trust us.
That's what banking is at its core.
Can I ask what this year has meant for you?
It reminded me why I chose this career.
How?
Watching you see it all for the first time. It refreshes your own view.
I didn't expect to love this job.
What did you expect?
Something functional, a career, not something that feels meaningful every day.
Can you keep that feeling?
I'll protect it.
Good. The development program starts in March.
I got in?
Top of the applicant list.
I don't know what to say.
Say nothing. Just keep going.